If you also have a private profile on your Snapchat account, then how can you make a public profile on your Snapchat? Or how can you convert your private profile to a public profile on your Snapchat and you can get a lot of views and you can just connect to the public in just one click from your Snapchat application. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel again. And in this video, I'll be simply showing you all the steps that how can you do it. Firstly, you just need to make sure that you have updated your Snapchat application from your app store if you're using iPhone like me, and if you're using Android, you can go to the Google Play Store for it. Now, to create a public profile on Snapchat, this is my chat page. All of you can see here that this is my chat page. All of you can read my chat. Here, I will click on the left top of the screen and you will see this is my profile, my snap score, my birthday, my university, and anything you will see here. But to create a public profile from this private profile, I will simply scroll down, and on the bottommost corner public profile section will be seen, and you have to click on my public profile. Now you can see that introducing your public profile, show off your best snap, grow your audience, reach more people, and get deeper insights. Click OK, and yes, your profile is now ready, and you can add spotlight, you can add stories, you can add photos, and anything you want. So this is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.